Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we are changing our rear differential fluid on our 2001 Acura MDX. This information is the same for 2001 to 2006 Acura MDXs. So there's two bolts that you have to do. You see, this is the fill bolt, this is the drain bolt. That's pretty much it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen that first, and then we'll loosen the drain bolt. We don't want to drain fluid if we can't get new fluid in. I don't even think we need to remove our spare tire. Looks like there's plenty of room to work around the spare tire. But, all right, let me show you what tools we need. All right, here's all the stuff we need. So we have rear differential fluid. I went to our local Acura dealership and they didn't have any in stock, so I stopped by our local Honda dealership and they had the VTM-4 Fluid. They're interchangeable. And we have a little filler tube right here. And this black piece actually can connect directly to our bottle, and it makes it easy to transfer the fluid into our rear differential up there. We have an oil catch pan, tools, basically we just need a 3/8 ratchet and a 3/8 extension. Maybe this one or a shorter extension. Probably, yeah, I'll play around with it to see which ones will work best. We have a torque wrench as well. And that's pretty much it. So before you get started, make sure you drive your car around for a bit. You want to warm up the rear differential fluid, and it helps to drain. Slide your oil catch pan under. Bring a towel down there with you. So we're gonna go loosen the fill port first. Oh, it's on there good. Okay, so I have this Dewalt DCF 900 impact, and there hasn't been a bolt that I haven't been able to remove with this impact, so it's pretty powerful. This is a 1/2 inch, and we're gonna reduce it down to 3/8. I'm gonna use this knuckle as well. Okay, let's do this. 3-inch extension with the knuckle. Another 3-inch extension. All right, put that in. And then now we can, it's angled slightly, so we have room to rotate. So I'm gonna hold this like this, and then we'll go ahead and loosen it. All right, got it off. It was on there really good. All right. So the threads are still good. All right, looks good. We'll change out the crush washer. I have a whole pack of crush washers. Okay, so let's go ahead and drain it now. This looks pretty good. There's not much metal on it. Okay, let's go ahead and get out from under the car, and we're gonna clean these. So this pack right here comes with both sizes. So if you look at this, there's a small one and a large one. So the small one goes on. Perfect. Trash the old one and the larger one. Perfect. Trash that one. Alright, 2 new crush washers. So I'm gonna take the drain plug. The drain plug is the one with the magnet. Screw it by hand first. Make sure the threads line up perfectly. Grab your torque wrench. I set my torque wrench to 35 foot-pounds. Move this over slightly. All right, 35. All right. Wipe this one more time. Okay, now we can move our pan. Well, let's leave it right there. So when we fill, because you basically top off the fill port until it starts coming back out. So whatever comes back out, we want to catch it with our oil catch pan. We're using VTM-4 differential fluid. This is the Honda equivalent of the Acura one. I went to our Acura dealership and they didn't have it. And I have this older bottle of VTM-4 Fluid by Acura, but I only have 2 quarts, so it wasn't enough. And they didn't sell quarts, so I had to buy a gallon. We use one of these adapters right here. I love using these things, it makes it so easy. So go ahead and open this and open the seal. So with this, unscrew this little adapter. So this is for quarts. If you unscrew it, then it's a gallon adapter. All right, so that's on. We're gonna turn this to the off position. So that's off right there. So when it's off, no fluid comes out. All right, let's time up this vehicle. And it's going to be approximately 3 quarts. We'll go ahead and undo this. All right. All right, so do you see how it's dripping off of the rear differential now? That means we are full. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull this out and we're gonna go ahead and let it drip until it stops dripping. So the way the hose, the hose was pretty fitted to it, so it was able to fill up much higher than where it needs to be. But you just want it to basically drip out until it stops dripping. Okay, so the drip has stopped. Go ahead and take this oil fill plug and install it. Okay. It's a little difficult. There's not much room with the rear subframe. So what we're gonna do is take a little 3-inch extension. It's like a handle. There we go. Here, I'll give you a better view. So it's in. Now we can wipe all this clean. remove our oil pan, catch pan. Wipe all of this. Now we have to torque the bolt. And it's also 35 foot-pounds. All right, that's it. 35 foot-pounds. Done. Time to clean up, and we'll go recycle the fluid.